In today's transportation industry, the task of ultra-fast data exchange between the storage on a vehicle and the operator's ground terminal during a short stop is very actual. For example, this is applicable for light rail transport, intercity buses, and autonomous cars. Security camera recordings, films for passengers, and route data for autonomous cars are examples of such data. In this video, the ELVA team is pleased to present a demonstration of high-volume data transmission technology from the vehicle to an operator's network during a stopover. The data is transmitted over a 10 gigabit 60 GHz radio channel using MobiBridge radio. The video demonstrates the transfer of a large 470 gigabytes file from a server installed inside the vehicle to a remote server. And now pay attention. The 470 gigabytes file transfer from the vehicle onboard storage to a remote server has begun. Now let's speed up the video and look at the final time. Well, this is done, and the transfer rate was as high as more than 9 gigabit per second. Fast data transfer does not depend only on the radio throughput. It is also important to choose server hardware like storage and network cards, capable of copying the file from one server to another at full duplex 10 gigabit per second. For this purpose, a special data booster device is used in the vehicle, which accumulates information from cameras, sensors, and other sources through standard interfaces. Then the data booster transmits the entire accumulated amount of data through the 10 gig network card to the radio channel. Accordingly, the fixed point radio receives 10 gig traffic from the radio channel and writes data to the SSD storage without reducing the data transfer speed. MobiBridge radios are now available for transportation industry, providing a reliable wireless communication for fast data transfer at short stops. You are welcome to download product booklets and send inquiries to ELVA team about the MobiBridge radio.